Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury, and today I'm in Epcot, and I'm gonna do something I have never done before. The last time I was here, this had just opened and it was only for cast members at that time, and it has since opened, and now I get to go and check it out. We're gonna go and check out the Moana area. It's like Way of Water, Journey to Water, something about water. So we're gonna see Moana and water, and we're gonna have fun. So let's go do it. Journey of Water. The water cycle. Water connects us. And our cycle begins with rain. Oh, this exhibit comes with a warning that they recirculate the water. It is not potable water. Don't drink it. Okay, we have like strings of water here. Okay, we gotta... Oh, it makes music. It makes music. Oh, y'all, this is so cool. So it's got these strands of water that are like just pouring, and when you interrupt the flow, it makes music. Look. Like that. Curious? That's so cool. Okay, we are continuing on our journey, and we're looking for the next water area. We're looking. Okay. Oh, there's gonna be hopping water. Hopping water. Okay, there's a little cubby available, and it says stand on the splash. So the splash is down here, and wave to the stream in front of you. So that was cool. It was like it had like a sensor, I guess, so it like knew if you were waving high or waving low. But now we are at the wetland, and there's an option for a wet path or a dry path. So it says wetland, and then it gives you this sign that says dry path versus the wet path. I wonder. Oh, it's just a little wet. It's just this. It's just this. It's okay. It's not a soaking situation. It's just a splashy situation. And it leads to the spring. Okay, so stand on the splashy symbol and hold out my hand. We found a hidden Mickey. Look at that. Just in the wild. So that was so cool. So it was like, I feel like I'm a water master. Like I put my hand out, I go high, it goes high with me. I go low, it goes low with me. I feel like I could dance with the water. This is really neat. Okay, we are advancing to the next area, which is land. Let's see. Okay, we have some options here. We have dry path and not dry path. So it says if we move slowly, it might open up. We're gonna chance it. We're gonna try it, but I have a helper who will prevent the camera from getting wet. So we're gonna try it. Oh, so that was cool. I was able to go through the wet side without getting wet because the water opened for me. That was neat. Okay, lake. There's a beautiful little waterfall over here. And we have more hopping water. We have a little bit more jumping water over here. Oh yeah, it is Maui's hook. I'm looking right at it. Hidden in plain sight. Maui's hook. My sister has eagle eyes. She spots the things that I'm staring right at and I'm missing. It's like it's Maui's hook. Like, you're right, it is Maui's hook. Okay, this next is an interactive water feature for the ocean. Okay. Look a bit moist over there. Let's see what we can do. So this is being like raised by the people. You stand here and you raise your arms up, and then it says try working as a group.
Raise your arms. On three, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, so that was fun. So I worked with a group and we were able to raise the water. Like the first time it was like a little bit of water and we were like, spread out, we got this. And then we were all counting and we raised our arms and we made the water rise. There's a whole splash area here where the kids can run and play. And this last area is sky. And water knows the way is what it tells us. And it's about evaporation and the water getting back to the clouds. So that was the Journey into Water, the Moana section at Epcot. That was really, really fun. It's a great place to sort of get away, cool down a little bit. You get all the little splashes. You have dry paths, so if you don't want to get wet, you don't have to, you can avoid it. But it's great interacting with water, and it's set up in a way that's educational too. It teaches you about sort of like the water cycle and like sort of how it goes from like different areas, the river, the streams, the oceans, and how water is important in our lives, all with the theming for Moana. It was wonderful. I really, really enjoyed it. So I guess with that, I am done for the day. I will see you all real soon, and until then, stay inspired by everyone. Take care.